In Washington, D.C., if you're hurt at work, you've got a workers' compensation case and you're getting workers' compensation benefits, those benefits are not counted as income, so they're not taxable. Now look, there's a limit on the amount of benefits that you can receive in Washington, D.C. It depends on how much you were earning in the 6 months before your injury. Right now in 2025, that limit, that cap on benefits is approximately $1,800. So if you were a high wage earner and you should be getting benefits above that, they'll be capped at $1,800. But no matter what your workers' compensation rate, those benefits are not taxable. You don't need to report those federal income tax or state income tax. You get the entire thing. It's roughly 2/3 of what you were earning before. Here's a pro tip though. If you had a second job at the time you got hurt, especially in Washington, D.C., you can include that income as well. Even though you never got hurt on that job, you can include that income and your benefits will be higher as a result because it'll more accurately reflect how much you were earning with both jobs at the time you were injured. So that's a critical piece. The other thing is if you settle your workers' compensation case, those benefits are not taxable either. So if you have questions about workers' compensation, we've written a whole book on this, Protect Your Rights, The Ultimate Guide to DC Workers' Compensation Benefits. It's the only book out there for people who have been injured on the job. It's great for Washington, D.C. You can also use some of it for Virginia or Maryland, depending on where you got hurt, where you were working. Go ahead and click this link and we'll send you a copy. You can also call us, shoot us an email, get us through the website. We're happy to mail you your free copy, totally free of charge, no obligation, so it can help you through the entire workers' comp process. Thanks.